Hello, welcome to this amazing video. Mbeaniza mu video yaffe olunaku olwaleero. Leero tugenda kweyongerayo ne basic verbs we use in day-to-day activities. So tugenda kweyongerayo n'ebikolwa oba ebigambo by'ebikolwa bye tukozesa mu bulamu bwaffe obwa bulijjo. Okay, so today we are going to look at this verb to read and to learn. Yes, there is a difference between to read and to learn. Waliwo enjawulo mu read ne mu learn. So in other words, in English, to read tugamba okusoma mu Luganda. To read mu Luganda kibeera okusoma. Can you repeat that? Okusoma. Good. To learn in Luganda is okuyiga. Okuyiga. So to learn is okuyiga. To read is okusoma. Okay, let's start with to read. To read is the act of looking at written or printed words and understanding them, at times speaking them out. Once again, to read is an act because to read is a verb. So to read is an act of looking at written or printed words. Written can be written on board or printed out on a piece of paper. So you look at it and understand. Are we together? So reading is you look at something, you understand it, and at times you pronounce it out or you speak it out. Once again, to read okusoma is act of looking at written or printed words. Written is ekintu ekiwandiikiddwa, printed ekyo ekiprintingiddwa oba ku lupapula, and understanding them n'obitegeera, and at times speaking them out. To read in Luzungu. So to read is okusoma kyeki mu Luganda. Okay, so to read is ekikolwa ky'okutunuulira. To look is or looking is ky'okutunuulira. Okutunuulira, you look at something. O ky'okutunuulira ebiwandiikiddwa, written, ebiwandiikiddwa n'obitegeera era olumu n'obyogera, you speak them out, okubyogera. Once again, to read is ekikolwa ky'okutunuulira ebiwandiikiddwa n'obitegeera era olumu obyatula oba obyogera, kye bayita to read oba okusoma mu Luzungu ne mu Luganda. Okay, there are types of reading. Mu kusoma, there is what we call silent reading, okusomera mu kasirise, reading aloud, okwatula ebyo by'oba osoma oba okubyogera. Once again, there is silent reading. Mostly when students are in exams, they do what we call silent reading. Silent reading. Okusoma ebitu n'obitegeera mu kasirise. That is what we call silent. Mu kasirise. Are we together? Silent reading mu kasirise. We have reading aloud. Okwatula ebigambo ng'obisoma obiraba neera n'omala n'obyatula. Okay, let's see how does this word to read change with tenses. Kikyuka kitya ng'engeri y'enjawulo nga twatulamu. Okay, let's start with present simple tense. Present simple tense, we said to read, we read it as read. Once again, present simple tense, read, we read it as read. Hope I'm not confusing you. Present simple tense tusoma read. Okusoma tukiyita read mu present simple tense. Are we together? Present simple tense nayongera okubijjunjula. Oba tewagitegeera osobola okulaba eno video waggulu. Okay, so with present simple tense ngambye read tukisoma read. An example, I read books every day. Once again, I read books every day. Or I read books every night. So I read books every day. Mu Luganda tugenda gamba insoma. Or at beginner level tugamba inze nsoma, but intermediate we say insoma because N represents the U. Insoma ebitabo buli lunaku every day. I read books every day. It's going to be insoma ebitabo buli lunaku. Hope we are together. Good. Number 2, we have they read newspapers. They read newspapers. Remember, we saw when we are using these articles, I, they, or we, in present simple tense, the verb remains in its original form. So, they read newspapers. Basoma amawulire. Or, for beginner level, they say bo because of they, bo basoma amawulire. But here we say basoma because we already represent a group. Basoma amawulire. They read newspapers. Good. Number 3, we read posters. Once again, we read posters. We read posters. In Luganda, we say tusoma ebipande. Tusoma because of we. Tusoma ebipande. Or some people say fe tusoma ebipande. But for intermediate level, we use tusoma because you are represented with tu. Tusoma ebipande. Okay, so that is how we deal with read in present simple tense. Let's look at present continuous tense. How does this word read change with present continuous tense? With present continuous tense, read becomes reading. Reading. Are we together? We said present continuous tense ebe yogera ku ekiriwo kati. Something happening currently ekiriwo kati. So present continuous tense tugamba I am reading a book. So read efuuka reading. ing oyongerako ing. I am reading nga weeyogerako nze ndi kusoma katabo. So ngenda gamba I am reading a book. Once again, I am reading a book. Ndi kusoma ekitabo. Ndi kusoma ekitabo. So with present continuous tense, read efuuka reading. Ngoyogera ku ekiriwo kati. Ekikolwa ky'okusoma nga kihappeninga kati. Ogenda gamba I am nga weeyogerako I am reading a book. Ndi kusoma ekitabo. Number 2, they are. Remember we said with other pronouns, they, you, or we, you say we are. They are. They are reading the Bible. They are reading the Bible. Chikolwa kiri happeninga. Bo bali kusoma Bible. Oba bali kusoma Bible. Tulifena. They are reading the Bible. It's going to be bali kusoma Bible. Good. Okay, let's see past tense. Past tense, read a chocolate. How does this read change with past tense? A point to note, with past tense, read, when we are sounding it out, we sound it like we are sounding read. Are we together? Read, the same spelling, but when you are sounding it out, you say read. Like you are saying red, color red. So in past tense, read, we read it as read. Are we together? Although we write the same spelling, you should note that. Ntegeeza ki wetuba tusoma kino ekigambo nga twagala kikozesa mu tenses zaffe nga twagala kukozesa kino mu luzungu mu past tense nga twogerako ebyayita tugenda kugamba read. Read kifuuka read. Oba okiwandiika spelling yakyo esigala yeemu ne read. Naye oba oyatula you say read. Ndowooza okategedde ako. Good. Let's have a look at some examples. Yesterday I read a story. Kubanga kyayise because it is past. Yesterday kyayisewo. Yesterday I read a story. Naye oba owandiika spelling owandiika read. Are we together? But when you are sounding it out, you say yesterday I read a story. You shouldn't get confused. Yesterday I read a story. Ejjo nasomye olugero. Ejjo yesterday nasomye olugero. Number 2, they read the number to the police. Once again, they read the number to the police. Basomye enamba ku polisi. Basomye enamba ku polisi. A point to note, with past tense, read, we read it as read. Once again, with past tense, read sounds like read. For instance, yesterday I read a story. They read the number to the police. Kubanga oyogera ku ki ekyayiseewo ng'okozesa eno verb okusoma oba to read in English. Okay, let's see future tense. For future tense, read remains in its original sound, read. So with future tense, read remains in its original sound like read. For example, they will read it later. They will read it later. Bajja kukisoma edda. Bajja kukisoma edda. They will read it later. We looked at future tense. Twagamba future tense tukozesa akagambo kano aka will. Inja. Inja kukola kino. So they will read it later. Bajja kukisoma edda because of they. She will read the words. She will read the words. Are we together? And that is ye ajja kusoma ebigambo. Ye because of she, ye ajja kusoma ebigambo. One, I will read for you. I will read for you. In Luganda, inja kusomera gwe. Inja kusomera gwe. Okay, that is it in this video. In the next video, we shall look at how to use learn. Tujja kulaba engeri gye tukozesaamu learn okuyiga. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. And if you do like the video, you can give it a thumbs up icon. Well, don't forget to follow my channel on YouTube at BennyBenny2178. Bye bye. Well,